nice talaga siya. Still thinking right now to exchange, but we will see. We'll continue very soon. Here again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is about unboxing from this one, Louis Vuitton. So and siya. So actually bought online and then I go in the Louis Vuitton shop to pick up the items, and I was so excited kasi it's really cute. Ito po siya. And here's the receipt inside and some thank you letter. Ayan. You see. Thank you letter and return code or return papers. And look what inside at ano yung kinuha ko. It's very cute talaga siya. Ayan siya. And let's see here. I'm so excited to wear this one. Actually, I think this one for long time. So here's the one. That one I choose. Actually, I'm thinking about to exchange this one, yeah, with Monogram. So ito po siya. Yes. What's inside is very nice talaga. And this one is very handy. You can use also in every occasion or daily life. And here is the knob. Here. And here inside is a try to open. Ayan siya. It's a red. And here we have two pockets. This one is 8 holder card. Ayan siya, 8. And also you can put also the bills over here. And there's one more. Here, the pocket. Here you can put also like coins or anything you want, or you can use this one separate. So yes, it's very nice, diba? Yeah, so they have two pocket or wallet inside. In here, it's come with the chain. It's a gold one, and it's a gold one. Yeah. So here inside. Here. So they have also another pocket over here. If you want some separate, also in here. So here's that, and Louis Vuitton in here. So this one you can use also with a different way. Like there's so many ways how to use this one. So normally, actually, pupush ko siya. Ayan, yan. So here, so I'm 5'1" height, and it's kind of over here. Yan siya. It's not bad. And one thing I like this one is I can use this one when I go to the party, wedding, or any. And also this chain is adjustable, so means you can take out this one and you can use also as a handy bag without chain. And this chain naman is you can use also a strict kind of step on how to use this one. So for example, just like this, yeah, here like this. Normally I use this one, but there's more another way for this to how to make getting smallest one. But yes, here, and there's one more which is I forgot how. Yeah, it's here. I think this one. Yes, kind of like this. Yes, ganito siya. Actually, it's very nice to have this one as a bag, and it's my very first time to have my own luxury bag. But the problem is I'm trying to change the canvas one, which is the Louis Vuitton with some flowers, not like this. So I'm still thinking if I can return this one or I keep this one. So I still have 30 days to return since I bought this one online and I pick up in the store, so I still have a chance to return. And yes, I'm so happy naman and very excited to have this one. And finally I have already my own luxury bag, even the small stuff, but still make you happy because you bought by your own money, diba? Yes, so ito na nga siya, and I'm so happy, and I can wear this one when I have a party or occasion. And I heard also that this bag they don't have serial number because they take out and now they have a chip, so I don't know where to find the chip. So I hope you like my video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see how gonna work for me. So I'm still thinking right now to exchange, but we will see. We'll continue very soon, so give me a time to think. Here is kind of nice siya, and the color is light brown, while the monogram is a dark brown. Here, so let's try here. So here, another one. So actually this one is a receipt from earlier, since I exchanged the Pochette FELÈCIE Damier to Pochette FELÈCIE Monogram. So here they give me another receipt, and they send me also another receipt. Here is a proof that you exchange the items from Damier to Monogram canvas. So here's another receipt, and here it goes. Let's try to open. And yes, so this one they called Pochette FELÈCIE. Pochette FELÈCIE. So here, it's here. So I can compare the other one, this one, the Damier and the Monogram, and they are the same inside. Let's say here they have 2 pockets, they have 2 wallets, this one for each slot of the credit card or card, and you can put also in the bills. This is a card holder. It's from Louis Vuitton Paris. Yes, and also I have here the Louis Vuitton Paris. Is a coins pouch siya, or you can use also this one for your credit card, or you can hide some, let's say, lipstick or the small pack of perfume here. Smell bago siya. Yes. So this one is kind of dark compared to the other one, so I hope I'm not regret to exchange the items. So actually this year 2021, so the Louis Vuitton, they don't have anymore serial code like date code or when they make that one. Right now they have already a chip code. So actually before they have here or over here, they have a little leather na let's say that when the date they produce and when the date they make. So right now they don't have anymore, but they have here a chip under the tag. What they say is you can find the chip over here, so they will know if this one is a legit or no. So finally guys, I have already a Louis Vuitton bag for the very first time, and I hope it's not my last, but we'll see, gonna happen, correct? I'm very happy and I want to enjoy. Maybe next time I will review again what I can put this one or what I can put inside this bag. So it's kind of cute siya, very small, and let's see what kind of stuff that we can put inside. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much, and yes, I'm so happy. Yes, thank you guys. Bye.